Assalamualaikum. In this video, we learn how to install Composer on Windows 11 machine. So let's start. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video. So open your favorite browser. I am on Google Chrome and have your Composer. From the list, https getcomposer.org. It is the official website of Composer. Now from here, when the website is open, click on the download and we have to download this. Download and then Composer setup.exe. Okay, and click on this. It will download. Start the download process and then move to the folder where you have downloaded this. Click on the setup. Click on run this file. So we have two options here: is install for all users and it's recommended, and install for only me. So in my case, I need to install for all users and it's recommended, and I will go with this option. So after this, I will go with the default options here and click on next. So in my case, I have installed WAMP in my computer, already installed WAMP in my computer, and the default for the path, PHP path I have set in the environment variable is PHP 8.0.30. So you can install the WAMP or PHP version in your computer first to use the composer. Okay, and if you don't know how to install the WAMP or XAMPP or any of the server, I have also created videos on that, and I'll list down the video link in the description of this video, how to install the PHP version or WAMP. Okay, and how to set that in environment variables. Click on next. I don't want to use any proxy. Click on next. Install. Next. Finish. So let's open command prompt and check either our bash installed or not. Sorry, composer installed or not. So you can see the menu is open for composer. So when this appeared, it means the composer is installed in our machine. So good luck, guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below. Subscribe to the channel, like the video.